Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on sleep mode on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Sleep mode is designed to save energy and prevent wear. It usually activates after a certain period ranging from 1 minute to 3 hours of inactivity. You can change when Mac goes to sleep based on your case and customize your sleep setting on your notebook or desktop Mac. So how to turn on the sleep mode, how to put your MacBook to sleep. It's so simple. You can to put your MacBook to sleep, you can just tap on the upper right corner here, click on the Apple icon in here, and there is an option sleep. So your MacBook will be on the sleep mode. And you can also turn on the sleep mode on your MacBook by open the system preferences on your MacBook, and you can go to notification and focus. From here, from notification, you can go to focus. There is an option DND, do not disturb, sleep. You can choose on sleep. You can just turn on by enable the toggle in here. So your MacBook will be on the sleep mode on your MacBook in here. And you can also allow notification from here and here. You can add the notification from maybe this contact, or I would just enable disable that feature. So that is how to turn on sleep mode on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.